In this video, we're diving into, is Reddit just ChatGPT agents talking to each other now? Answered. Whether you're new to AI or looking to deepen your understanding, this breakdown will give you everything you need to know. First, let's establish the basics of, is Reddit just ChatGPT agents talking to each other now? Answered. Understanding the fundamentals is crucial before you move forward. This sets the foundation for everything else in this video. Next, we'll look at the practical applications. How does is Reddit just ChatGPT agents talking to each other now? Answered. Actually work in real-world scenarios. This is where things get interesting, because you'll see exactly how this applies to your own work and projects. Finally, here are some key takeaways about is Reddit just ChatGPT agents talking to each other now? Answered. The most important thing to remember is to start experimenting. You'll learn best by doing, so pick one aspect covered in this video and try it out. That covers the essentials of, is Reddit just ChatGPT agents talking to each other now? Answered. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more deep dives into trending topics. Let me know in the comments what aspect you're most interested in exploring further.